me and Emilia, it was really exciting because we'd been friends for 6 years.
I love that scene.
It's fucking embarrassment. And we're like, that is hilarious.
Oh,
He's
yeah.
in his costume. What's he doing?
Scene, I love doing that scene with her.
And then we were done and we were like, oh, thank God that's done. Okay, cool. Can we just go and like have a drink and just be normal again? Sometimes if you sat back in their makeup chair and I'd be like there taking stupid selfies, sticking things on his head. He's very good at taking the piss out of himself.
Yeah.
Which is a skill in life. It really is a skill.
Actually, very rude.
Question from Emilia Clarke. Best meal you had on the set of Game of Thrones?
I don't know. One of Emilia's. Is going to go in your satchel.
Kit. Kit's fan Instagram account is excellent. Okay, so Kit, my darling. Now you sound like Kit. Kit. No, I can't answer Kit for everything. Hey, I've been having a terrible time. Thank God you're here.
Sexy.
Give us a general...
Yeah, I mean, I've always wanted to have a scene with Emilia.
Do you use tongues?
Oh my God! So Kit is a mate. We do not use tongues.
Yeah, she's a very good friend. I'm very, very close with Clark.
Douchey is quite a strong... No, he also loves Harry Potter. Who knew? I do.
Regarding, of course, the dragon.
I'll take this one.
She's great fun. She's a good lass. She's good on a night out as well.
Shoulder dance, and it's a little bit. He could be starting it sitting down, and he kind of does like a little. Like you got to pout with it, and then he'll. Well, Kit has a particular dance move that's that's not as good as mine. All of that, but with like smouldering. Do you like to take the piss out of Kit because he handles it so well, but he really has a hard job on this.
I read the scripts and I cried, and I took Kit out for numerous drinks and was like, what the... You're leaving me?
To touch Kit's hair? No, he would be like, get off my hair. His hair was real. Oh, baby, his hair was real. Also have another really funny video that no one will ever see. That's Kit. It's very funny. Always in different locations, but always in the same party location. So I've had some space. It's also because he's got an amazing six-pack and he's really beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah, we get on this plane and he's like, hey mate, do you mind if I sit with my friend?
Now, Kit Harington.
Love him. Having sex with Kit Harington.
His fucking bun.
Of steel. They're very sweet.
He looks beautiful.
So much so he hasn't aged. He's gone back. He's Benjamin Button. Oh, Kit with a beard. I think he knows how good he looks. He's brilliant at what he does because he feels that. Because he puts heart and soul into it.